Good afternoon, dear children. Hope all are keeping good health. Children, today we will continue lesson number 5, Good Habits and Safety Rules. So let's begin with the safety rules. Lesson number 5, Good Habits and Safety Rules. Children, in this video, I will explain about safety rules. So take out page number 23 in your EVS book and start reading from here. Safety rules. Safety rules are necessary for our safety, health, and happiness. We should always follow some safety rules. Let us talk about them. Children, we must take care of ourselves so that we do not get hurt. To avoid getting hurt, we must follow some safety rules. Safety rules keep us safe, healthy, and happy. Let's see how we can save while walking and traveling on the road and at home. Always walk on the footpath. Children, we should always walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, we should walk at the left side of the road. Always be alert on the road. Either crossing or driving, we should always be alert on the road. Children, nowadays people are using mobile phone while driving. It is not only going to put in trouble to that person, other person can also get hurt, and it can be very dangerous. Always follow the traffic lights. Children, wherever you are going, you make sure that you should follow the traffic lights. Children, there are 3 colors in traffic lights: red, yellow, and green. And each color means: red means stop, yellow means wait, and green means go. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. We should always cross the road at the zebra crossing. This is used to cross the road. Where there is no zebra crossing, look left and right before crossing the road. Children, if there is no zebra crossing and traffic signal, then you first look to your right, then look to your left, then again look to your right, and if the road is clear, you cross it. Never get into a moving bus. Never get into or get off a moving bus. Wait till it stops. Always get into a bus in a queue. Queue means line. Always wait in a line for the bus. Do not push each other to get into the bus. Wait for your turn. Never lean out of a moving bus. Lean out means put out. So never put out your body from a moving bus, because you never know, you may get hurt with any vehicle coming from the other side. So always keep your hand and head inside. Never travel on the footboard of a bus. Footboard means near the gate of a bus. This is the footboard. So children, we should never travel on the footboard of a bus. It is very dangerous and we may fall from the moving bus. Never play with sharp objects like knife, scissors, etc. So children, you should never play with these objects like knife, scissors, blades, etc. It may be dangerous for you. You may cut your finger. Never put your finger into the electrical switches. So children, you should never put your finger into the electrical switches. You may get electric shock. Never go for swimming alone. So children, do not go alone for swimming. Always go with your parents or elders who can guide you while swimming. Never talk to strangers. Stranger, danger. Who is a stranger? The person whom you don't know is a stranger. Children, you make sure you should leave the place if anybody is chasing you or following you. You should never eat anything given by a stranger, because a stranger is danger. Children, lesson number 5 has finished. Hope you have understood it. Now you will read this chapter and try to understand it more. Okay children, see you in the next class. Till then, bye, thank you and take care of yourself.